Click the Measure tool, and the cursor changes to a tape measure. Use it to measure anything on the workspace. Click in a clockwise direction from point to point to measure the pattern piece. The measurement dialog displays the segment length for all graded sizes. The increment is the measurement difference between the graded sizes. X is the horizontal measurement between the points, with delta X as the difference in X between the graded sizes. Y is the vertical measurement between the points, with delta Y as the difference in Y between the graded sizes. D is the straight distance measurement between the points, with delta D as the difference in D between the graded sizes. The angle is the angle of the measurement line for each graded size. To change the length of this segment, click the Segment Length button. Enter the new measurement value for this segment, then choose the Extend method, and click OK. Click the two Compare Length, plus or minus buttons to add or subtract this measurement from the Compare Length table.